Kia ora. My name is, my full name is LeNora Sila. Ko Ngati Oro. Born and raised in Poneke. Lived, went to school in Porirua, and loved my primary and intermediate life in Porirua. Then I hikoi back to Poneke, where I currently reside. So I'm the business coach for identity and passports for SDNO. My team is business capability, and I've just pretty much worked with the facilitators, and we provide coaching support for our staff. How long have I been at DIA? Wow, I've actually been here for 21 years. But 20 years employed by DIA. I started off as a temp for the first year. And it's been 20-ish glorious years for working in DIA. I had to think about how long I've been with Kapahaka, and it's been a long, long time over the years. Probably, I can't remember the date, back in 2011, I'm guessing here. But pretty much when my first experience at Kapahaka was when I attended the Te Kono Hete when Porirua College was hosting the event. There was only one row, and it wasn't as if I could hide behind anybody. We were a very, very small group back then, and it was led by a wonderful leader, Holly Pohatu at the time. She exposed me to Kapahaka. And what keeps me coming back, just the whole whānau support. I'm grateful to be able to do that and have the flexibility to come when I can. It's been led by some really good leaders. I'm thankful to Moana Ormsby and the team that's kept the dream and vision of Kapahaka going for DIA. I think that's really important. Because sometimes we can't always make it, but I'm glad that it's still there, because then, if I do miss out, I can always come back, and now that I am back, I'm enjoying the experience. What tip would I give a newcomer? Just come. From previous experiences, I've seen new people and myself, just as they have an open door policy. Nga Tai Oro just has this wonderful way of just welcoming everybody and anybody. You don't have to be a seasoned performer or a singer. It's just a real whānau support where you can just be who you are and enjoy the environment, enjoy the experience. And just come, just turn up. My signature song is my favorite all-time himene, E Toru Ngā Mea, that I'm very passionate about my faith. And it talks about in the Bible the things that matter to me personally. Is hope, faith, and the greatest thing of all is aroha. So I'll be singing that over and over in three-part harmony. I'll find a way to sing it. That we come to a government department, especially with DIA, that we have this opportunity to be involved with Kapahaka. I think we're very fortunate and very lucky to have this environment that you come to experience what it's like to, because it is part of our DNA. And I just want to encourage you, if you're thinking about it, or it's been like, I really don't know how to go about it. Just like I said earlier, just turn up and at least just come and watch, and just come in and be part of the experience, because you'll have fun and you won't regret it. Haere rā.